Lesson 6, Trading Fundamental Analysis. So guys, by the end of this section, you will understand what is market sentiment and how it can affect prices. You'll learn how to go about trading the fundamentals. You will learn how to predict the possible results of some fundamentals using correlation. You will learn one of the major keys to successful trading and how you can use this key to make more money trading Forex. So let's go. Okay, so whenever you're trading and using fundamental analysis, you should always aim to figure out the fundamental reason for the move. Now, what I mean by this is, say for example, we have a fall in the Euro USD. Your aim should always be to figure out what changed fundamentally to cause the Euro USD to fall. So for example, maybe the US raised interest rates, or maybe there was news that indicated that the US would raise interest rate, or maybe great news came out for the US. Maybe US had a great job report this month. Maybe the US had great fundamentals. Maybe some great fundamental news came out for the US. So all of these would cause the euro to fall and the US to rise. So you should always try to find out the fundamental reason for the move. So first, identify the cause of the move using news sources. Is it because of an economic announcement, rising oil prices, etc.? Fundamentals. Now, identify the overall fundamental picture of that currency. Use the news source to figure out what the central bank is focusing on and which way the currency should be going. So, as I said before, always try to understand the fundamental picture of the currency. What are the central bank's perspectives on the state of the economy? Are they moving towards raising interest rate? Are they moving towards lowering interest rate? What are their focus? Are they focusing on starting a QE program? What are they focusing on? Figure out their focus. And there's also fair price value. What is the fair price of the currency based on the cause of the move and the fundamentals? So, say for example, the euro is at a particular value and the news came out that caused the euro to rally. Now, if the news came out, caused the euro to rally, let's say the euro rallied to 1.100. Now, if no other news comes out and we see the euro US begins to fall with no change in the fundamental picture, then we can say the fair price and fair value for the Euro USD is 1.100, because that's the price that it went to after the fundamental picture changed. So if the fundamental picture is still the same, then the fair price of the Euro USD is still the same. Now, sentiment. Now, sentiment refers to the mood of the market. So, for example, you may observe the fundamental picture for the market to be positive, and you may observe the market doing the opposite of that. Say, for example, the fundamental picture for the Aussie USD is good. We have good jobs report, there's growing employment and stuff like that, and you begin to see the Aussie USD falling. Now, this falling, chances are, is due to sentiment. It's just temporary and it's due to sentiment. So market moves that are caused by sentiment are temporary. Now, sentiment change may be caused by traders taking profits, and as a result we see a temporary change in the direction of the market. But as I said before, as long as the fundamentals remain unchanged, the market will eventually go in the direction of the fundamentals. Now, in the next lecture we'll be looking at fundamental correlation, and we'll be starting with the PPI, that is the Producers Price Index.